Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a local real estate agent here in the Thompsons Station, Tennessee area. Today I am back in the neighborhood of Tollgate Village, and I'm going to take you guys for a walk on a road called Natoma Circle. Now, Natoma Circle to me is really special because it actually circles around the lake here in Tollgate Village, and to me the lake is probably one of the most beautiful features of the neighborhood. So I'm gonna stop here and let you guys get a nice view of what that looks like. I am currently standing at the end of Tollgate Boulevard where it connects to Natoma Circle, and all right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hook a right and just go this way, and I don't want to just show you guys the lake. I just want you to also see that there are some really great houses here as well. And I really think that these houses are pretty dang special, if you ask me. I mean, you get the view of this lake from your front porch, which to me is really so special. I love it out here. Every time I come here to make a video too, there are so many people out walking and just getting their exercise in the morning. And to me, that is such a good sign of a great neighborhood, which, you know, that kind of stuff to me at this point in my life is really important. So, yeah, I mean, here we are on the sidewalk walking. You've got these homes, and check out what the view is from their front porch. Tell me that's not just beautiful, right? You know what? I might even take you guys down there a little bit closer to the lake so you can get a better feel for it as well. We'll do that in a couple minutes. I just want to show you, though, this walk around Natoma Circle. Here's the thing, too, that I've noticed. Well, let me back up again. I wanted to show you all these houses because a few people commented on my other videos and they said, all I see is condos. Well, the reason all you're seeing condos right now at this time, it's 2025, July, is because Regent Homes is working on a new condo building at the front of the neighborhood, and they have every single unit listed for sale. So there's a ton of condos listed. So that's why you guys are seeing that. Oh, let me duck down over this tree. Look at the view from this front porch right here. Y'all, is that not amazing? Oh my gosh. So yeah, that's why you're seeing all the condos. And I checked, there's only 3 homes that I saw as of yesterday that were listed for sale here in the neighborhood. So once again, we are on Natoma Circle. If you haven't seen my other videos that I have made on the neighborhood so far, this is my 3rd video. The first one, I show you guys all the shops and the retail. Video 2, I show the amenities in the neighborhood. And then now I'm going to start to just show the streets and the homes so you guys can get a better feel for what it's really like to live here. Look, even this house right here, which is at the very end of the view of the lake, still has such a fabulous view. All right, let's go down here. I'm gonna cut through over here. There's like this little, there's a couple little features down here that I think you guys are gonna think are cool when I walk through it. I'll tell you too, these walking tour videos help me get my steps in. I'm getting like a mile in every single morning. It's super early, which I actually enjoy. Getting up early, I don't know why. So we are coming down to Colebrook Drive, and what's cool about Tollgate, let me just kind of show you this. See in front of me right here? They have so much green space like you see here in front of me throughout the neighborhood. I think at the time, I don't know if Thompson Station still does it, but at the time, Thompson Station was really pushing for neighborhoods to have a certain percentage green space. And I don't know if that was what made the developer decide to do that, but either way, it's awesome. All right, so check this out. This is the little sidewalk that cuts through that green space. Isn't this beautiful? Look at all this. I feel like I'm on a resort. I really do. Let me give you one more view of Colebrook. Yeah, I mean, look at that house is beautiful right there in front of me. But look at all that. It's beautiful, right? All right, so let's do this. You know what? I'm going to cut this way. I want to stay on Natoma because that's the goal of this video today. So let's cut this way. Oh, I really like this house right here on the right. Look at that house. Beautiful. Chalk on the sidewalks from kids playing. That is a really good sign. Oh, well, look at this house with the American flag right there. Beautiful brick. Nice looking house. Nice landscaping. That front porch is just amazing. I mean, look at the view that you get right here. See all this? There's like little paths that lead into the lake over there. They've got dog waste pickup stations. I mean, there you see where I just came from. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Cruising right along. The sun is starting to peek out this morning. I've been coming out real early, really, for a couple reasons. The first and main one is to beat the heat, because I was trying to do these style videos in the middle of the day, and I made it I was making it like a quarter of the way through my walk, and I would just be totally drenched in sweat. And I was like, all right, I can't be doing this. These homes on the right are actually really big. Those are like 4,000 square foot plus. Look at the view you get though. There you go. See how the sun's starting to peek out? Yeah. The second reason is just traffic and noise and people. There are just so many people out during the day. It's just really difficult to do these. So the earlier I do them, the better. And so this is Veneta Drive. There are so many cool little back streets and alleyways in Tollgate. Like, look at this street. This has always been one of my favorite. Isn't that awesome? Look, won't this make a good, this would make a good thumbnail photo, right? If y'all saw how we had to make thumbnails, it's hilarious. It's embarrassing. I was doing a thumbnail photo. Oh, once again. So here's, you got this house on the right, and then look right here what their view is. Holy moly. That is awesome. Yeah, the other day I was doing oh, they got a leaky sprinkler head. I want to tell them. I wonder if they know. I was making my thumbnail picture the other day, and like some group of guys got out from working out. You know, they were doing some manly thing, and I was making these stupid thumbnail pictures, making weird faces. Whatever. Yeah, so I love these sidewalks. Seem to have a lot of tree coverage, so you get some shade. Oh, this must be another leaky. But I mean, look at the landscaping. This house is amazing. I love the staircase going up to the front. I don't want to, that's private, it's their own house, but sorry, it just looks so nice. And this, even right here, here's another one. You turn, another view of the lake. I mean, just awesome. I mean, there's people out like running and just kind of exercising, just so awesome. I see someone walking with a dog towards me. She's probably gonna be like, what in the world? So, yeah, so let's end this video with me coming down this way really quick. I want you guys to see the lake. I got the sun right in my face. So there you go. Pretty dang beautiful, right? So guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'm just trying to share with you guys what it's like to live in Thompson Station and specifically in Tollgate Village. Once again, my name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent here in Thompson Station. If you'd like to talk to me and explore the idea of moving here to Thompson Station or really anywhere in Middle Tennessee, I do have a link down in the description below, and you can click on that link and you can access my calendar, and then from there you can schedule a day and time to chat. All right, I appreciate it, y'all. I'll see you next time. Bye.